2块，你知道吗？你最高气温28、9度，30度就到头了。
那是不是靠近榆林这边？
对呀。
炸酱面、牛肉面、米线、酸辣粉、馄饨、饺子、丁肉饼。
哎，是个好地方啊。
Got 3 eggs, Ji Da. That's what they call the eggs in China. And we are across the street from the Imperial Mansion where we're staying at the hotel near the famous Tiananmen in Beijing. Governmental district, famous historic district. And this beautiful lady is cooking us, my wife and myself, some egg breakfast to go. We already had another breakfast elsewhere, but we thought might as well take one to go for the next few hours when we get hungry in our hotel room, where we'll be doing some research on some tourist destinations. And lots of this Jiga Hun Hao. Lots of onions for me. It's gonna be good. And here is the restaurant around me. Pretty exciting. And there's my sweet wife. And they've got lots of other dishes here too. Lots of yummy stuff. I would love to have some onion rings later, but that's just bread, I think. No, that's bread. Yeah, hi. No, ma'am. Jigga. No salt for me. More. Jigga. This. How?
How?
Ma'am. Oh, pepper, yeah, how? Good. How? Yeah, pepper's good, I just don't care for salt. They use a lot of salt in China and the Philippines, sometimes too much. Garlic, Neo garlic?
Garlic bread.
Neo garlic? Neo garlic. How to say garlic? That looks good right there. Garlic. What is that? Ask her what that is. I might not like that. What is that? Ask her what that is. Man, what the hell is that?
Yeah.
Oh my god. She put so much of that. I hope we like that, because I don't know if I'm going to like all that. This, I don't know. I guess you just have to trust the process.
Yes.
Here we go.
For a while.
I can always give it to the homeless if I don't like it.
Garlic, where's garlic?
They don't know. They don't have it here. That's why I let my wife cook at home, because she does a better job. She knows. You can edit this later.
Can we have the garlic?
Yeah. Even if it's just in a